guys. I'm sitting at my kitchen table at 2:05 a.m. and what I have here is my cat. She sits here next to me and she waits for little tidbits of my food that's on my plate. You know, bits of pepperoni, bits of Genoa salami, bits of southern fried chicken breast, bits of Cooper cheese, bits of American cheese. Don't you, kitty? Don't you, kitty? So what you waiting for, huh? You're waiting on your perch. Tonight, what I have here is a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Cats aren't too interested in peanut butter and jelly, but I am. You don't like peanut butter and jelly, do you? Do you? Ha. You know what? Really interesting about a cat. Usually when a cat comes up to you, you ever notice they'll rub you with the side of their gums, mouth, rub up alongside you. That means they're marking their territory. But when they give you the top of their head, that means it's true love, like this. See that? True love.